Okay, hello everyone. Today is another video. I will show you how to perform correlations in Excel. So here is my data. I have temperatures in ice cream tool. So how to perform correlation in Excel? You just go to data and select the word data analysis and select the word correlation. Okay, click OK. Okay. So here is the rank that you want to perform. Okay. So I want to perform temperatures in ice cream, and you just select there's two column. Okay. So my table is a label, so I tick on the label. Okay. So here is the output rank. So where is you want to show the output result. So I want to show it here. Yeah, just click it. Click OK. Yes. So here is the result. Okay. So here is the relationship between temperatures and ice cream. So it means that is the temperature one. Ice cream, so that is 1.9. Yes, almost it's almost equal one. Okay. So I want to show the relationship in the scatter flow. Okay, you just select the table and go to insert. Okay, and click the recommend. If you don't want the recommend, you can click the all chat here. Okay, so I click the recommend chat. So the most we use for perform regression, we use scatter. Okay, you select scatter and then click OK. Okay, so here is the scatter flow. So you can identify that here is the relationship. So as I know is the positive, yeah, is mean that is the temperature is higher and the ice cream salt is also high. Okay, so my video is come to the end. If you have something to ask, can comment below. Okay, bye bye.